bottom, middle, middle, middle. Top, top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle. Top,
Wow.
you gotta follow me. Top, top, bottom, bottom,
Middle, middle. Top, top, bottom, bottom. Middle, middle, middle.
Can you send this to school so I can, my email so I can put it on my staff? Keep going.
Good
job.
Do it, but she doesn't have a burp yet.
Sophie, show him one more time. He didn't get it the first time.
Okay.
He needs lots of repetition.
Okay, watch.
I'm gonna put it on this one.
He's not tagged. It takes him more than once to learn.
You try.
Annie, we hold this one.
Dude, on my camera, so
And then bottom.
This one's easier.
Wait, Sophie, come back and show him again.
He didn't get it.
He needs it one more time.
What do I have? Is it
Ready?
running?
Did you show him? I'm gonna
Sophie, you're
show him
so
the
good
picture
at it.
so
Show him.
he
Ready?
can
Yes.
Go ahead. Ready?
I don't want to do
I'll say it with you.
anymore.
I'll say it with you. Ready?
I don't want to do it.
But show Uncle Venus. He needs to know how
I
to do
just
it.
don't
I
want
can't
to
see
do
it.
it.
You're hiding behind the
see.
red.
So
Yeah.
never mind, we got it.
The moment
See if
has
Uncle Venus has it.
passed.
Did you get it the first time?
It's on deck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you cut just that little bit and send it to me as an email?
Yeah, it's just easier to get on this camera, so I wanted to do it again. But I'll get it to you.
Because that'll be great around Thursday when we're all stressed out, and I send it to my staff.
Oh, I'm sure he'll
They'll
love
crack
that.
up.
Does that sound good, dude?
Yeah.
Maybe she can call you in, you can give a little demonstration.
Top, top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle.
It's hilarious.
How do I pause it? Stop it.
I think it's that one.
Sophie.